Hello friends and welcome back to Everyday Cooking with Mum and B. Today we are going to be making this no bread sandwich and pizza recipe. This dish is really delicious and I'm sure that you'll be surprised on how easy to make it is. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started! We will need 3 to 4 medium-sized potatoes, 2 tablespoons of plain flour, 1 large diced pepper, 1 large diced cucumber, 50 grams of boiled corn, 1 large diced onion, 50 grams of grated mozzarella cheese, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 4 to 5 cloves of garlic, 2 tablespoons of sweet chili sauce and mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and butter as per your needs, along with 1 teaspoon of mixed herbs. So firstly, we've just washed our potatoes to remove all the excess starch, and then we're going to take some more water and just grate our potatoes into the water. So we're just going to wash the potatoes again to remove all the starch. So now we've washed our grated potatoes 3 to 4 times. All of the starch has now been removed, and now we're just going to make sure that we get rid of all the water too. So we're just going to strain it like so and remove all the excess water. So after we've done that, we're just going to take another bowl and transfer it into there and just add in our plain flour and salt. Then we're going to mix it together, and once we're sure that everything has binded together nicely, we're going to start cooking it, because this is going to act as our bread or base for the pizza and sandwich. So we're going to take a heated pan and add in some oil. So then once it's heated up, we're going to spread our batter. We're going to make a nice and even layer, just like this. You don't want it to be too thick or too thin, and we also want it to be as even as we can get it. This will give a nice texture, look and feel to the dish. So we're just going to cook it for around 5 minutes on low to medium flame, and whilst that's getting ready, we're going to use the remaining of our batter to make a small mini pizza base as well. So we can make a non-bread sandwich and a non-bread pizza too. So we're just going to take our mixture and again spread it out evenly so that we have a nice flat layer. So now what we're going to do is make our sandwich filling. So we're going to take another bowl and add in our garlic, cucumber, onion and pepper, along with some corn, with half a teaspoon of salt, mixed herbs, half a teaspoon of black pepper powder, sweet chili sauce and mayonnaise. Again, you can use different vegetables, different sauces, and just change this according to your taste. So then we're just going to give it a good mix. You can add in some chaat masala or other pizza toppings that you might want. So it's been around 7 minutes, and we're going to check on our sandwich base layer. As you can see, it's got a nice golden brown colour, so it's ready to flip over. We're just going to use the help of a plate and then slide it back on. This just makes it a bit easier for us to flip, or you can do it another way too. So now we're going to cover it and cook it for another 5 minutes. We're also going to check on our mini pizza base and do the same here. So flip it over, cover and cook for another 5 to 7 minutes. So it's been around 5 minutes, and we're just going to check on the other side of our sandwich base. As you can see, it's got the golden brown colour. So what we're going to do is fold this in half. You can just use something else to help you do this. So this is us making the 2 sides of our sandwich. And then once you've done that, you can fold that back over, and then we're going to get our sandwich mixture and just fill our sandwich up. So you want to use enough to get that nice scrumptious taste, but you also don't want to overfill it. So we're just going to make a nice layer of this too. And then we're going to add a layer of cheese. You can add sliced cheese too, but this will just melt easier and give a different texture. We're using mozzarella cheese. And then we're going to fold this over again and cook it for a few minutes, just until our cheese melts. So we're going to leave this for 2 minutes on a low flame. And whilst we do that, we're going to check on our mini pizza base, which is also nicely cooked. So what we're going to do is just use the same mixture. You can use another mixture or other toppings too, but we're going to use the same mixture. Again, create a layer, add some cheese, and then cover and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. So it's been around 3 minutes, and as you can see, our sandwich is nicely cooked. So what we're going to do is now transfer it onto a chopping board, and then we're going to get ready for plating. So here we have our sandwich. What we're going to do is we're just going to slice it in half. So this is our no bread loaded sandwich, and the scent has just filled the room. It smells really scrumptious. So we're now going to go and get our pizza and cut it into some slices. Then it's time for plating. And I hope you've enjoyed this recipe. If you did, then please don't forget to drop a like, leave a comment, share with friends and family, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more amazing videos just like this one. Bye for now. Thanks for watching. Happy cooking!